know one thing? If one more neighbor asks me why aren't my teenage boys helping, I'm gonna clobber him over the head with the shovel.
So where's our icicle?
Coming down from the arch.
Oh wow. That is fairly impressive.
Oh, here, this is for when Morgan's old enough to realize. Remember you gave me a hard time going to your doctor's appointment? Versus cleaning off the windshield and getting the Maxima out? It just took me an hour to get it out of here. An hour. So, when you're older and you see this, I expect an apology.
Nice. How you doing? Oh, we got a broken tree limb. Aww.
There's some really nice ones off the back too, especially in front of Morgan's window.
Some nice icicles forming in the back of the house. Here's the puppy dog Sierra enjoying the cold weather. And somewhere around here, oh, the trampoline. Somewhere around here, the children have built an igloo. Oh, look at this. Wow. I don't think I want to crawl in there, but it is a very large igloo. I don't know if you can see the exact scope of this thing. But that's the entrance, and it goes all the way around. Look at that. Kind of amazing. And I think it just got snow in my boot. This is 3 days after the last blizzard. Somebody else's trampoline in their backyard. Theirs is still covered with snow.